Well, we're looking at Amazon stocks at this point. As you can see, this stock is just off the charts. You know, the pandemic caused this stock to break over this particular resistance right here. And as we look at the monthly chart, it is in the uptrend, and there's no limit where this is going to go. Probably it's going to touch a 30,000 level. Do you want to invest in this? It is just too expensive, ladies and gentlemen, for people who don't have deep pockets. Once again, you need to wait for pullback, and stocks always pull back here, there, and there. So you want to let it cool down, and then if it cools down, touch around the 2000 level, and then if you're interested, then you can join the party. At this point, I won't get into it. It's too high. It's too extended. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.